Hello friends, how to fix the network signal, no services and emergency call. How to fix? This fix easily say, easy. Any Android phone and any smartphone and data on tap. Go to your Play Store, okay? Click your search button option and type the app's name. CHA CHA or let's see type here. Click the app's name, okay, and install, okay. That is open the apps, back at generated random IMEI number. Let's see, number change it and edit your original IMEI number, your phone. Let's find your IMEI number original, your phone box and your phone bill. Find this number and type the editing IMEI number. It is easily and generate this and apply new IMEI numbers. Click the here, okay. The confirmation message, do you confirm change the IMEI number? Okay, change button click and click, okay, message आ जाएगा, the IMEI number will be changed after device restart. Okay friends, तो आप तो IMEI number change हो गया, ठीक है. तो your phone is registered, your phone will be registered, power button restart. That is your phone easily fix network and your phone call SMS, it is easily fix it, okay. Thank you watching and subscribe, like and share.